Are you looking for the best hydraulic bench presses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hydraulic bench presses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Dragway Tools Hydraulic Shop Floor Press, 6 ton. In case you are looking for a combination of affordability and versatility, the Dragway Tools 6-ton hydraulic shop floor press should be the right option for you. With a capacity of 6 tons, this amazing unit should handle nearly any DIY project and other projects in your workshop. Most people find the piece perfect for not only metalwork pressing jobs but also other projects such as installing and removing bearing, gears, ball joints, and other many applications. Nonetheless, the 6-ton capacity may not be enough for some heavy commercial applications. Therefore, in case you are looking for a product that will support heavy industrial use, it's unfortunate that this may not be what you want. The unit adopts the modern open-sided design. This feature enhances user convenience to make it easier than it has ever been to work with long workpieces. The spring quick return ram saves time. The steel construction implies that it is sturdy and designed for longevity. The adjustability of the crossbeams makes the unit incredibly easy for nearly anyone to use on different workpieces, while the ability to allow for appropriate working distance means that it is made to handle multiple tasks. At number 4. Titan Hydraulic Shop Floor Press H-Frame 24,000 lb with heavy-duty steel plates, 12 ton. This hydraulic shop press also possesses great specs that qualify it among our very finest options. The piece is super easy to use and will provide excellent results even in the hands of those just joining the trade. The piece measures 51.5, tall by 19.75, wide by 3.25, deep. In other words, it comes in a convenient size that fits nicely in small and large shops alike. The high-grade H-frame construction indicates that the unit will hold up very well year after year of heavy use. The beautiful red finish elevates the style of your shop, garage, or whatever space you want to use the hydraulic table press. This model from Titan also boasts a high working capacity of 12 tons, which translates to 24,000 pounds. With this amazing capacity, you will be able to handle nearly any metalwork with ease, whether straightening, bending, pressing, or any other application where such pressure is needed. Other great features about this model include a working range of 24 inches, an extra long ergonomic handle of the pumping system, and a customizable bolster platform. At number 3. Tauren Big Red Steel Frame Hydraulic Shop Press, 12-ton capacity. This unit is among the market's few models that are made with durability and quality in mind. Like the previous piece, it features heavy-gauge steel construction that stands the test of time even with frequent use in a busy workshop. I mean, if you often find yourself interacting with a hydraulic bench press, the Tauren Big Red Steel 12-ton model should stand up to the challenge. The steel construction is chemical washed before applying lead-free paint. The high-quality finish offers excellent protection against rust when still resisting oil, grease, and dirt to make it easy to maintain the unit in perfect condition. This coating also elongates the service life of the machine further to let you buy knowing that you are getting something that will last. The high capacity of 12 tons means that the unit can comfortably handle just about any bending, straightening, and stamping job you throw at it. Hence, whether you intend to use it in the workshop, garage or machine shop, you can always count on it to get several tasks done perfectly. Although durable and dependable, this equipment arrives with a budget-friendly price tag, unlike other options of the same category. Therefore, expect it to deliver a hard-to-beat value for your money. The box contains the shop press, hardware kit, and 2 solid plates. At number 2. JEGS 81635 Hydraulica Frame Shop Press Bench Top Mount Working Range, up, 6 ton. The compact size of this hydraulic bench press makes it a go-to option for garages and workshops that have tight square footage. Although small, this machine exerts up to 6 tons of force. Hence, expect it to come in handy in multiple metalworking projects such as removing ball joints, pulleys, U-joints, and many other projects. Like a majority of the models on our list, the piece features steel construction for extra strength and durability. The rugged construction has a beautiful yellow finish to keep it safe from rust. The high-grade coating also steps up its overall beauty, making it a visually captivating addition to any space. Although durably constructed, JEGS 81635 Hydraulica frameshop press only weighs 46 pounds. For this reason, transporting it to your workshop or job site is a piece of cake. In other words, if you want a sturdy yet lightweight unit that will serve in several metalworking projects in your home, the JEGS 81635 Hydraulic A frameshop press will hardly disappoint. The unit comes with two press plates that measure 6.125 inches by 3 inches each. Also, most of the customers appreciate the benchtop option of up to 4.25 inches. The handle is extra long for increased user convenience. The rubberized grasp ensures that the user gets a comfortable grip for increased user comfort when using. At number 1. BLACKBULL PRESSA 6TA Frameshop Press, 6 ton. Also on our list is a reliable hydraulic bench press by BLACKBULL. The unit utilizes a durable steel construction. Therefore, buy it with the confidence that it will last year after year even with regular heavy use. A premium powder coat covers the steel construction to step up its overall beauty so that it blends perfectly with the existing decor of your workshop and garage. This coating also protects the piece from corrosion to make it even more long-lasting. The dual press plates provide your workpiece with steady support while the maximum pressure of 12,000 pounds guarantees to tackle most of your projects. With the amazing force it generates, most users found the machine to be very useful in installing and removing gears, bearings, U-joints, among many other press-out tasks. But even with this power, this hydraulic bench press adopts a compact size that claims minimal space in the workshop. Hence, in case you are having a workshop or garage with limited space, this equipment should turn into a great choice for you. Also among the unit's amazing properties is the spring return beam. The adjustable table offers 2 settings to make it more convenient and easier to use on different sizes of workpieces than most of the models out there. Nevertheless, most users found it a little daunting to assemble, especially for those that haven't assembled one before. However, after assembly, people cherish that it does the job perfectly with less to no long-term issues. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.